All right, guys, I'm gonna solve a couple of the questions about the rest of the questions of this week's workshop. So for these questions, you see that. So we have 6 splices. Here, 6. All right. So for it can be like school, but these two O can replace each other because they are the same. So if we have something like this one as well, this one can exchange this one. So what we want to consider is like this one, that the total things is like 6 factorial, but we can divide it by 2 things that they can repeat it. So this type of the questions are called permutation with repetition. This is the third type that we wanna, second type we wanna analyze today. So we have permutation with repetition, and combination with repetition that it's not in this week. So this is how it works, these questions. So if you want to explain more, you you can write a couple of the more examples from this one, and you can say that, okay, this can be like this, O1 and O2, but they can exchange each other. So every case that you have, it will be divided by 2. Okay. All right. So now this question here, so A, B, C, D. So are permutation of them, 3 of them, or you can say that you have 4 choices, 3 choices, 2 choices. So it's not 3 object, just it's choosing 3 permutation from 4 object. Or you can say that like I have 4 choices, 3 choices, 2 choices, and the order is important, so you will write like this. And we can also write like this, which will be the same as the above. Now for this one, we will have the same thing here, but the problem is that you will have such sets A, B, C. And if the order is not important, so then you will choose something like this, B, A, C. But in the combination, these should be the same. Okay, so we will just choose one representation, and the order is not important. So how many times we can have like this set, but different combination, it is like 3 factorial. So we will do the permutation firstly, which will be 4 minus 3, but then we will divide it again by 3 factorial. And if you follow this formula, it will be this one as well again. All right. And second question is like this one. And the rest of the questions is about the permutation or combination. So now for here, we see that the plate numbers for the car, so we are allowed to 3 letters and 3 digits, and this allow any repetition. So we can repeat that. So 16, first letter, second letter, third letter. So you got 26, 25, 24 times. And the other digits are like 10, including 0, then 9, then 8. So it will be like this. Now for question 17, we see that we got president, secretary, treasurer, So how many choices do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, then the 5, and then this one is 4. And this is part A. And for part B, we see that Fred can never be president. So the president will have just only 5 choices here. So the secretary is, again, Fred can take it, and 5 choices, and 4 for treasurer. All right. Now, question 18 here. We see that how many months? So 12 for the first person, second person 11, 10, 9, 8. So this will be for 5 people if we want to choose different birth months for them. And that's all. For question 19, if we have, yep. So question 19, so a club has 6 mean and 7 mean. In how many ways can we select a committee of 3 mean? So 3 over 6, so order is not important, so I will write 6 choose 3. Multiplication principle, 7 choose 4. Will be this. And part A, so 20, question 20, part A. We see that 5 mean, so like in any condition, so it will be just 9 factorial, so I don't need to do this. So part B, so we need that M, W, M, W, W, M, so I can mean 2, 3, 4, W, and again mean. So it's just, yeah, here is cramped. So 5 cases for factorial and 4 factorial combination for the woman. Okay. It will be like this. So question 21 now. So how many bits is strings of length 9, that is each 0 or 9? So it will be 2 times length 9 is times, like, length 9 will be 2 power 9 here. Let's call this one part A. Part B is at least one, so 2 power 9 minus 1, so only 0, 0, 0 will not be considered. Okay, so actually I just misread this one. So this is C. For part B, I didn't see that. Part B is this guy here. Exactly 3 ones. We have like 9 of them. 9 of them. And we need to choose one in 3 different places. So this will be, so 9 choose 3 will be the answer of the part B. And part D says that at least 3. So at least 3 ones. For this one, we can assume that everything, this is equal to every thing, every case minus no one. Exactly 1, 1, exactly 2, 1. So this will be 2 power 9 minus no 1, which is just in the first case all 0. And the third term will be equal to 9 choose 1. And the last one will be 9 choose 2. All right. So this will be for part D. Okay. So now part 22 is this guy here. So 22 says that you got 4 letters. So everything like 26 power 4. Okay. And then we will have like, so the question tells me that we shouldn't have, do not contain 2 O's adjacent. So this is a tricky questions, and it says that it's not like this. And so let's assume that we will have O this like this, O like this, and O like this. So we will have this condition here. So for this one, and this will be 26 power 2. This will be 26 power 2. This will be 26 power 2. But at some point here we consider, but we automatically consider this one as well. Or we automatically consider this one as well. While it is this one is repeated here, so it should so this might be here already. So we this one, so we overcount. So the final answer will be 26 power 4 minus 3 times 26 power 2. But we consider, so we choose this one here. Okay, we count this one here, we subtract this one as well here, and we subtract these scenarios as well here, and also we subtract this one, in this case is here as well, and we subtract this one here as well. So we shouldn't do that, so we have to get them back. So 2 times 26 will be we have to add it. Yeah,